Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you how to reset the Explore page on Instagram. First, navigate to the Instagram app on your mobile phone. Once logged in, reach the Explore page and you can load it. Then, tap on your profile shown at the bottom right corner. Now, go to the three bars and select the Settings and Privacy. Here, scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. You can choose the interested and not interested content for your Explore page. After that, add any specific words or phrases and mark Standard in Sensitive Content Control. Mark Standard in the Political Control and reach the Reset Suggested Control. Lastly, reset the suggested control and you can clear your activity. Thanks for watching, like the video, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.